Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify stabilization with rolling shutter presets and resolve step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Locate the clip you want to work with in the timeline. Select the clip to highlight it. Open the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom of the interface. In the color panel, find the stabilizer tool on the right side. Click on the stabilizer icon to open the stabilization settings. In the stabilization settings, you will see options for stabilization. Look for the zoom and cropping ratio settings. Adjust the zoom level as needed for your footage. Set the cropping ratio to fit your desired framing. Next, activate the rolling shutter correction option. After enabling this, choose the appropriate rolling shutter preset. You can select from options like rolling shutter, full sensor or partial. Make sure to preview the clip by hitting the play button. Observe the stabilization effect and adjustments in real time. Once satisfied with the stabilization, proceed to render your clip. Check the final render to ensure the stabilization meets your quality standards. If necessary, return to the stabilization settings for further adjustments. Save your project to retain all changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.